Hey everyone, thanks for coming out on the trail with me today. Out here enjoying a beautiful bluebird day on the trail, but man, it is getting hot. So I got fortunate here, found a little shade, threw up the chair to take a little break, and I figured it was time to make some lunch. And so on our menu today, we're gonna make a chicken coconut curry. So I've got all of our ingredients right here in our lunch bag. Let's fire up the MSR and let's make some lunch. And here we have all the ingredients for our lunch today. So the base is gonna be some instant white rice. I like this one, I like the seeds of change. They're basically the same rice. They need a little bit of boiling water, a little time to rehydrate, and they come right back. So really easy and convenient to work with on the trail. I have a little bit of naan bread. I have some dehydrated veggies. As usual, our canned chicken. You know me, if I'm adding chicken into one of my dishes, I'm using this canned chicken. Little bit of a specialty ingredient here is gonna be our coconut milk powder. This was a little bit hard for me to find. I actually had to order it from a specialty food store. You can get it on Amazon, or I've heard through Whole Foods too. So, you know, look around and you might be able to find it. And then finally, I have a little seasoning kit here, and this is gonna be our curry powder, salt, pepper, and a little chili flake. So this is all of our ingredients. Let's set up the MSR and let's make some lunch. Our recipe is going to start with 1 cup of water. Once our water is boiling, we're going to add in our dehydrated veggies. We're going to give them a stir and then let them simmer for a minute to rehydrate before we add the rest of our ingredients. Now that our veggies are tender, let's open our chicken and get it in there. In goes our chicken. We're gonna add in our coconut milk powder. In goes our seasoning kit. Let's get our rice in there. We're gonna keep stirring for just a minute, then cap it and let it sit for about 5 minutes to rehydrate. We're going to turn our temperature down and put our cap on and let it sit for a few minutes to rehydrate. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I'm just going to tear my naan bread right into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God, that's so good. I wish I'd brought some sriracha with me. Really, really good. Man, curry is like always good, man. Curry just hits the spot. It's always just so like filling and satisfying. That's really good. Wish I'd brought a little spice with me, thinking back now. Should have brought a little sriracha, some more chili flake. Every time, it seems like I'm saying that every video. I wish I had a little more spice. Need to start upping how much I bring. Well, that just about does it for me. Time to pack the bag up here and get back on the trail. Love having this water running. You saw earlier in the video there where I was going up against the rock there and just water was bubbling out. So crazy to find that, where you just find these natural little water sources. I love finding water out in the desert. It's so cool. Definitely such a good feeling. Thanks for coming out with me today. As always, bring plenty of water. I'll see you out on the trail.